Kajingkhang ban Wanrah ik Dohkha Nabar kadai na kabinta ka kwat ka khia ki Peit ba nong Shillong ka Jylla. Habai krench kilat pathai khobor ha ka arpun ritrik ujiliu arjar arpulai umintri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ke sangma ulong ba kajingkhang ka Sorkar Jylla ban Wanrah ik Dohkha Nabar ka Jylla kadai na kabinta ka bha kamian bat ka kwat ka khia jeng ki Peit ba ka Jylla hadin ba ka food and safety ka lalap ik Dohkha bala khle langi ka dawai formalin. Shushu ulong ba na kaliang jeng Sorkar Jylla kala Aiti ka food and safety ban Peit bahai ik Dohkha ba Wanrah Nabar Jylla bahadu Lano ban Shah ban Wanrah byang ik Dohkha Nabar.
You have to realize, and I hope everybody realizes, that any kind of action being taken by administration in regards to food safety is for the safety of the citizens themselves. We have to realize that the chemicals that have been found in some of the fish that has been sold, where chemicals like formalin were found. Formalin is a chemical that is used to preserve dead bodies and is highly cancerous and very, very dangerous for human consumption. This should not be there in the fish. And hence, obviously, we understand that supply of fish and other materials and food items is necessary for the state. But the safety and the security and the health of our citizens comes priority to us. And hence, we urge that while we are figuring out how to minimize this entire thing, this is a step that was being taken because of a conscious decision being made by the government to ensure that the safety of the citizens is kept, the health is kept at priority. We're having a lot of cases of cancer, as you're aware, in the state, and hence as a step towards that, all aspects of what could affect the health of the citizens is being taken. There's a lot to be done, but as I said, this is not being done for any other purpose to stop the supply or anything like that from outside. We are obviously all concerned about it, and we would like the supply to be normalized, but it will not come at the cost of the safety and health of our citizens. So